Hi good people, welcome back to my space. Guys, my house looks shagara bagara. When I say shagara bagara means my house is disorganized, but anyway, I've been doing cleaning back and forth. So today I'm having the last bunch. As you can see, there's a bucket there. I'm awaiting the clothes to finish cleaning and then I go hang them. So I want to tidy up the sitting room. Jojo is down here playing. So as I do that, as I do the cleaning and everything, first I want to feed him with, first I want to give him yogurt, and then I'll put him down here to play because he just woke up, and I'll catch up with the rest of the work. So guys, let's do this. So by today's vlog, we're going to do organization. I truly want to organize my clothes. I want to organize my living room. I have those, I have some shawls that I want to change, you see, and then I want to go and organize my closet and Gigi's closet as I showed you, and then organize my bedroom also so that it can look, at least it can look neat. Yeah, so let's catch up on that. So that's the only thing I'm doing in this vlog, and we'll talk more as we continue. So let's start by folding this bunch of clothes here. Let me show you. Yeah, these are the clothes that I want to fold and put them away and organize everything else. So let me catch you up in a few. Anyway, I've been saying that I'm going to fix my tooth, and surely I never took my time to do it. So today I'm here at Pension House. I've come to do my tooth before I go home for Christmas and see what will happen. So let me take you along. The place looks so good. You can see how that tooth is smelling. So I also want to smell like that tooth. So let's get going. everything is not working. Phone hanging, my membership number not going through and everything, but finally I'm sorted out. So I'm waiting for the doctor to come. He's a very nice doctor. I'm waiting for him to come. So they've done an X-ray. So we're going first to do Canal for 2 sessions. I start today. The next one I'll do on Wednesday, and then we finish with what do we call? We feel. After feeling now, that's when later on I'll come in. Hi guys, it's later on the day. I just got home and now I want to rest. I want to catch up. I want to take a couple of hot chocolate. I don't know if the sensitivity of my tooth is going to be there, but I want to take a cup of chocolate and then rest as I edit a video for you. Yeah, so my next appointment is on Wednesday next week. So that's when I'll be doing my final root canal and crowning. So I'll also show you what happened then. But for now I have a headache. So guys, I have to end here. See you in the next vlog. Until the next time, bye.